Katika Marvo channel. Today we are in American Helicopter Museum and Education Center. And today we are going to learn about helicopters. This is the Kitty Hawk Flyer. This is a very nice gift shop and did a lot of cool toys here. I hope you like the gift shop. If you want to buy any of the toys, come to American Helicopter Museum. Now let's start the tour. Okay everyone, we're going to ride this red helicopter. Small helicopter, and let's see the helicopter detail. Now let's see the other helicopters in the museum. A black helicopter. This is N-Storm F28A. The F28A helicopter was a result of a design program which was started in 1916. The design philosophy was to develop the helicopter whose components would enjoy unusually long life, be trouble-free as possible while offering simplicity and ruggedness. This is a soldier riding a helicopter. There are two soldiers actually. This is a gun outside the helicopter. This is CH-46EC9. So let's go in this big helicopter. This is a very big helicopter. Sit in. in helicopter ambulance, and people are sleeping in the glass. But in reality, the people don't sleep in the glass, and their medicine stacked up in a shelf, and there few there too. This is so lovely. We are watching the video of the helicopter. There was a rescue combat going on, and this helicopter was using real missions. Let's go out and see the other helicopters. Okay everyone, we're going to look at other helicopters. This is Bell Boeing B-22. Okay everyone, we're going to sit on this red helicopter. This is a UH-340 Seahorse assault utility helicopter. This looks like this in picture, but in real life it looks like this. We are now in a helicopter, and the sign says mind your head, so your head doesn't get bumped, and it's good to sit in a helicopter. And this is a small room right here, and you can go inside. This is pretty much it about helicopters, and let's see other helicopters. Let's go to the model room and see all the different helicopters. Look at these helicopters with cartoon faces, and you can see the real picture of them with cartoon faces. And then that's cool, isn't it? These are sort of models of helicopters, and these are helicopters look very cool, but they're not toys. This is PS Seki Hub 2, the black helicopter. This is built to 26A. This is built for 7B. This is a head of Frank Nicholas Piasecki. He was born in 1990 and died in 2008. Okay, everyone, we are going into this place and watching the video. This is an engine, it's called Rolls Royce. Just a pilot right here, and this is a guy sleeping in the ambulance, and there is blood right here. That is not good. And this is the doctor. Push button to hear SGT John Salves tell about his helicopter rescue after being wounded in Korea.
Hello, my name is Joe Gonzalez. My 32 years at Boeing Helicopters through the work on many of the helicopters at this museum. But not on the aircraft behind me. There's a Bell helicopter Model 47, used for evacuation of seriously wounded guys on battlefields of Korea and featured on the television series MAX. In 1952, this aircraft introduced me to the world of helicopters. At the time, I was serving with the 17th Infantry Regiment.
It is Bell 47 engine transmission and rotor system. This is what it looks like. Cool, isn't it? This is the wind tunnel, and if this works, you should press the button for 2 seconds. This is how it works. This is the end of our video. Please like, share and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.